I will guide you on how to identify apps that are silently draining your battery in the background. So first thing first, you'll want to head into your phone settings, locate the settings app in your phone. So go ahead and tap onto the gear icon right there to go into settings. And then once you're here, you can either look for the battery section manually or just type it here in the search bar. Mine is here. I will just tap into the battery option right there. You'll find a detailed list showing you exactly which app has been using the most battery power since your last charge. Once you've spotted the app, tap into the application right there. Let us say I'm going to tap into YouTube. So go ahead and tap into YouTube right there. And then you want to locate an option that says background usage limits. So go ahead and tap onto that. Underneath background usage limits, you have two options, the put to sleep option and the put to deep sleep option. And both of these settings have specific functions. The put to sleep option, apps can run in the background only on occasional basis. And if I try to select the put in deep sleep, will prevent apps to run in the background and may not receive updates or notification. So this is how you can identify apps that are silently draining your battery and how to fix it. So I will just tap into put in deep sleep. So YouTube will be disabled and it won't run into the background. So if this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in comments and I would love to hear from you and helping out. Thanks for watching and I will see you guys in the next one.